Welcome back. Fast-track court of Panji has rejected anticipatory bail plea to Genito Cardozo. He is the prime suspect in LPK vandalism case. Police in the argument has stated that he was in constant touch with the co-accused in the case. 4 alleged suspects along with Genito are on the run. On the other side, MAPSA JMFC has rejected the plea of police seeking a non-bailable warrant to arrest all missing accused in LPK vandalism case. Anticipatory bail plea has been rejected to Genito Cardozo. The prime accused in LPK vandalism case had filed an anticipatory bail plea before the court. Currently, Genito, along with 3 other suspects, is missing. Police in its say had mentioned that Genito was in constant contact with the co-accused during the vandalism case. Meanwhile, MAPSA JMFC has rejected the plea of police seeking non-bailable warrant to arrest all 4 suspects in the case. However, police will appeal before Sessions Court for a non-bailable warrant against Genito Cardozo, Ritesh Nagvenkar, Sandeep Pujari and Rohan Vaigankar. Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar for Prudent. North Goa Zilla Panchayat has resolved to approach High Court for decentralization of powers from state government. ZP President said they are still honouring CM's assurance and have given a time frame of month to the government before moving to the court.
Zilla Panchayat's demand for powers and funds is still unheard by state-level legislators. ZPs are raising their voice from quite a long time. The demand echoed again in the North Goa meeting held on Friday. President says now it's time to get it done through the courts. The ZPs are relying on the Gujarat High Court's judgment pertaining to the decentralization of powers to the ZPs. ZPs are now planning to approach High Court, but before that, body will give a month's time to the government to resolve the issue.
Sikkim आणि तिथून गँगटॉक आणि इथून की सिक्कीम सगळ्यांकून इज अ स्मॉलर स्टेट आणि थंयसर खूप पावर्स डिवॉल्व जाल्ले आसा. एक पिटिशन फायल केल्लें गुजरात जिल्हा परिशदान आणि हायकोर्टान तांकां ते सगळे रायट्स तेंचे दिवचे म्हणून गव्हर्मेंटाक डायरेक्शन्स दिले. ऑर द लास्ट रिसॉर्ट विथ अस इज टू गो टू द ऑनरेबल हायकोर्ट. गव्हर्मेंटाक टायम फ्रेम एक आमी एक मंथ्स टायम to decide on it, to deliberate at the last concluding function. Then CM आमकां सांगलेलें की he will sit with both the North Goa as well as the South Goa Zilla Panchayats.
3 lakhs for 7 panchayats are peanuts. President says government should at least allot ₹500 crore of developmental fund per ZP member.
7-8 पंचायतींनी निवडून दिल्ली आसा. म्हाका पर्सनली 3 पंचायती आसा. थोडे मेंबर्स आसा तांकां 8 पंचायती आसा. 8 पंचायतींनी आजून पासून गव्हर्मेंटा कडल्यान आमकां फक्त 3 लाख मेळ्ळे आसा. आणि 3 लाखान आमी कितें डेव्हलपमेंट करतले 7 पंचायतींनी. फंड एक्चुअली आमी डिमांड केल्लो फंडाचो अरावंड आमकां प्रत्येक मेंबर एटलीस्ट 50 lakhs प्रत्येक मेंबराक डिलिव्हर करपाक एटलीस्ट 50 lakhs तरी दिवपाक जाय. आतां WRD थंयच्यान शिफ्ट जाता. हांव परत मागता थ्रू मिडिया परत मागता WRDच्या जाग्यार आमकां दिया. वी हॅव पॉयंटेड आउट एवरी टायम बिसाइड्स गिविंग प्रपोजल्स वी हॅव पॉयंटेड आउट द प्रिमायसीस.
Illegal structures in Rumdamol Davoli were razed down by demolition squad on Friday. Meanwhile, Taluka level committee members inspected religious structures in Salsit. Out of 80 illegal religious structures in the Taluka committee has identified 10 till date. Taluka level report will be submitted to the district committee by month end. BDO, PWD officials and demolition squad were present during the demolition process. Officer from the BDO informed that Davoli Panchayat had requested to demolish the illegal compound wall and a shed.
रुमडामळ दवरली पंचायतीन रिक्विजिशन केल्लें की 2 स्ट्रक्चर आसा म्हणून रुमडामळ पंचायतीक इल्लीगल कंस्ट्रक्शन केलें. एक कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ शेड आणि एक कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ कंपाउंड वॉल आणि बिल्डिंग स्ट्रक्चर. ते रिक्विजिशन जे आहा ते थ्रू BDO जे आहा डेप्युटी कलेक्टर डेमोलिशन स्क्वॉडाक धाडलेले आणि डेमोलिशन स्क्वॉड डेप्युटी कलेक्टरान आयज ऑर्डर दिल्ली की डेमोलिशन करची म्हणून. त्या प्रमाणे जे आहा ते डेमोलिशन स्क्वॉड आमी BDOसून पंचायत नंतर एक्झिक्युटिव्ह मॅजिस्ट्रेट आणि PWDचे लेबर घेवन आयज हांगासर आमी डेमोलिशन करपाक गेल्ले आसा.
Taluka level committee identified 10 religious structures on Friday in Salsit. In all, 80 religious structures have been reported as illegal in Salsit subdivision. Report will be sent to district level committee by month end.
आता आमचे जे काम चल्ला ते फर्स्ट लेवला वयले फर्स्ट कमिटीचे काम चल्ला. इन्स्पेक्ट करून फर्स्ट आमचो क्रायटेरिया आसतलो विदीन 30 years बांदला काय 30 years मोर दॅन 30 years एज ऑफ द स्ट्रक्चर म्हणपाचो. ताज्या प्रमाणे मागीर मोर दॅन 30 years आसा ती वेदर दे कॅन बी रिलोकेटेड, वेदर दे कॅन बी रेगुलरायज्ड आसा थंय काय काडची पडटली आनी ताका लागून एक कमिटी फॉर्म जाली. ओके, सो दीज 3 committees आमची कमिटीचो जो प्रपोजल वतलो हे रिकमेंडेशन वतलें दॅट वील बी टेकन अप इन द डिस्ट्रिक्ट कमिटी. डिस्ट्रिक्ट कमिटीच्या वयल्यान मागीर फुडें स्टेट लेवल कमिटी.
Reporter Samir Bhatt for Prudent. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.